Today, let us see how to make the perfect detox dry fruit milkshake. For this, we first get the dry fruits ready. I take some cashew nuts, I take some dry dates, some walnuts, some almonds, some pumpkin seeds, some red cherries, some kishmish. I'll take all of these dry fruits and nicely soak them in water. You can see that I have soaked these dry fruits in water and they are ready to be used now. Ensure that you soak them for 4 hours. After that, we add all of this into a mixer grinder. Along with the water, ensure you don't throw the water away. To this, we add 1 cup of milk. Allow this mixture to nicely mix, add some cardamom powder for flavor, and we nicely grind this in the mixer grinder. After grinding, we need to add the other ingredients to this. First, we add some honey. Now this is completely optional and dependent on how your taste is. We then add some dry fruits to top it up. The detox drink is ready to be had.